Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is to believe in yourself. My kings, my queens, you are the example. You're leading so many people out of their wilderness into their promised land, into their blessings. Are you ready to be back in charge? Are you ready? I know that you are. I believe in myself, in the beauty of life, and the goodness of God. Thus, I have the power to fulfill my dreams. The will of the Almighty supports me. My life is showered in divine light, and my heart opens up to the power of the universe. Therefore, you are ready to shine. You're ready to lead. You're ready to be your almighty, powerful self. Congratulations. It took a lot of work to get here. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself, and I love you too.